That's about this WWE championship. I'm so happy.
I and the prize is that one up there.
Oh, hey, shut it off, shut it off.
Alright, we on the air. We on the air. Nick Devian. Hey, make a little intro, man.
Can I see it before?
Sure. It's 25 gigabyte building.
That is brand new, right?
No, it's brand new. Actually, so is the one above there. I just took it out so it's displaying. It's got all the foaming and stuff in it. Yeah?
Nick got it. Nick got it. Nick got it.
375.
How you feel, man?
There's only 6 in the building.
Yeah.
6? Wow. Whip out them dollars.
70. Okay. It's all yours, my friend. Have a good time. You're welcome. Enjoy it. I look at those plastic ones and it's heavy. I might rip through it.
No, so I'm gonna take it out. I wanna put this.
Oh, this in a bag. Okay.
This thing is crazy, though. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good time.
Thank you. How's it feel, bro?
Damn, dog.
Got one of them milk?
Alright, hold on. Give me over.
Ah. Poking with that thing.
I'm unboxing.
I'm unwrapping. It's an impromptu.
Good sound. Good sound. Show yourself, son.
What's up, man? I'm holding his other Undisputed. So, as you can see, we just did confirm a purchase. We did buy it right now. You can't get any fresher than that. You can't get it any fresher than that. How's this one look? Hey, bro, what this been, bro? Now you got the little kid. Now you got the big kid.
Hey, the leather's like extremely hard. Hey, what's up?
You got it?
What's up, man?
All right. Take care, guys.